How you guys doing? How you guys doing? I'm doing fantastic. Hello there, Chatter. How you doing, Chatter? If this does the impulsive move, we are gonna change our stop loss and have a different stop loss here. All right, looks like we're gonna change our entry here, Chad. Looks like we're gonna change our entry. All right. All right. Let's see, because if I see a closure like this, I'm gonna put my entry right on the threshold. If I see a closure to the upside, like a full candle closure, I'm looking to put my entry just on the model one. Yo, your in blood TP would be uh take profit would be a fixed 3 RR, bro. I ain't going for the high. I'm gonna go for a fixed RR here. Cause bro, I need to do that shit. My boy, am I in? Not yet. I gotta wait for the confirmation, bro. After I get the confirmation, then I would be in. But I want to see how this cannon close. If this cannon close like not that strong, I'm gonna be looking for this entry for the threshold. Yeah, bro, what's good? What's good, my boy Trader? Yeah, this closure does not look that strong, man. I'm looking to put my stop entry right back where it was. Yeah, right over here. So if it does close like somewhere around here, I'm gonna put my entry here because it's gonna be like an impulsive move. At first, my entry was a total soup. I was looking to put my entry in a total soup, but Mark is doing a big move. I don't feel like that. But to me, the threshold looks way better than the rejection block. Although the rejection block, there is a big ass wick here. There's stubbornly a big wick, but it's not that bigger than the body because the can is kind of thick. So the threshold is the biggest part over here. It's bigger than the fucking what is it called? Than the total soup rejection blocks. Why not the third candle of the CRT? Why not the three candles of the CRT? Because those three candles never sipped at a low, bro. This is the candle sipped at the low. Let's see. I want to see some sort of a impulsive move here, then eventually trades back into the entry. 4 minutes in close. Let me put my lock calculation here, an 8 pip stop loss. So for the threshold, I'm looking to take for a 4 RR because now I changed my fixed RR. The normal trade, which be the Model 1 itself, will always need to give me a 3 RR. The threshold will need to give me a fixed 4 RR, and the rejection block total super entry would need to give me a 5 RR minimum. Back to state, the 5 RR on the total soup makes a lot of sense. The 4 RR on the threshold makes a lot of sense because usually if I'm entering on a total soup, my stop loss is more tight, so it makes me give me then that right there can help me get more RR. So just gonna add a +2 RR on that. For a threshold, there's a medium, RR medium risk. So we're gonna be adding an extra fucking. We're gonna be adding an extra RR in there because usually gives us a little tighter stop loss, which can make us more RR. But our bare minimum is 3 RR. Then eventually gonna scale down from there. But let's see how this cannon close. This cannon close kind of strong here. I'm looking to take a trade just on the Model 1 and put my stop loss right on the body. But if it closes like this, I'm looking to put my entry right on the threshold. So here's a guess, man. If I've entered a Model 1 to solve and put a stop loss here, market goes back down, his stop loss is going to be kind of crazy because the wick and a threshold, they're the same thing here, they're the same size. But I'm leaning more into the threshold because threshold is way bigger than the wick in my eyes. Because market did a big ass can to the upside. It wouldn't make sense to go back all the way back to the to that wick. So let's see. It does this. I'm looking to put my stop loss right over here. Because this let's see, it's kind of close though. 1 sec, I think we're gonna take profit at a 3 RR. All right, I'm looking for this entry then. +6. My stop loss is gonna be right over here. Body telling the story, we're doing the damage, and it did impossible to the outside. So it wouldn't make sense for the market to go all the way back down to the threshold. So putting an entry in the model one, putting stop loss right below the bodies would make sense because the market wouldn't want to go all the way back to the threshold because they're losing too much money. All right, okay, let me get my money ready here. Let's see. All right, yeah, that's been imposed to the upside. I want to see it tap into the model one and explode out of there. Let's see if we can do that here. Let's see. If I stop during London session, I will avoid that inducement from now on. It's not about the London session. It's about the London session had too many news. When there's a lot of news in London session, you don't want to trade it because London session is supposed to not have any news there. The London session isn't supposed to have any news. Let's get 1.5%. Yes, sir. But let's see if the market could give us a push here. Let's see. I want to see either a tap into it, go up higher. We should relatively get out here to trade quick if the market goes in our way. Because my goal is not the highs here. Because let's just say our goal is all over here. We're probably gonna have another trade to go over there. Nice news during London. Avoid noted. Yep. Because usually you guys always see London session always being nice when there's no news. When there's news, it's not nice. How to pronounce this paralysis? I got you guys, bro. So we got a weekly IRL to ARL, weeklies here to the upside. Right? We have a daily was above equals higher price. We have a class emission profile to the upside, Monday low of the week. We as well have a IRL to ARL. We as well have a expansion dealing range, market tab discount dealing range, then we'll go dealing range high. And what else do we have here? Let's see. That's literally it. That's enough. Now on the lower time frame, we have a bullish order flow. This is the last high that tapped out to the key level. The order flow is now relatively bullish. Now we have a neo corrosive profile 1 key emission 5 emission expansion. We have range low guys, 2 going range high. We have a 4-hour key level. It's a fair ride gap. And that's the last thing we got. We have no dealing ranges here. Everything else is good. So we are chilling. This may make us miss our trade here, but let's see if we could really quick tap us in. Goes up higher. I feel like the news should be the one to do it. So we got a low, high, lower low. We're gonna have a higher high. Let's go to the side. Let's see. Yeah, so that this definitely could be an OT later on. It could definitely be an OT later on. Let's see. Let's see if we can tap our entry here before it dips. I'm gonna see some soda entry. I want to see some soda entry, please. Please, Papi. Papi, please. Oh. All right, I'm looking at this trade right over here. All right, 8.6. 8.6. Let's see what the market wants to do. Alright, let's see if the market could give us entry. Why G push it, bro? G, chill out, bro. Give us this fucking entry first, crackhead. Just do it. Angela Williams. So we have a expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement. Can have an expansion from here. Oh, come on, tap it. They want to tap. Oh, they want to tap. Background changed. Bro, the spot, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. I just moved the bed. I don't like the bed and shit. It takes so much spot, bro, in my room, bro. And this one right here, if I do like streaming, some shit like other that, you know what I'm saying? You got some room to fuck around with, but I don't want the bed takes too much spot. I like to sleep on the ground, man. I like sleeping on the ground more than the fucking bed. I'm built by the ground. I'm built by the ground up. Feel me? Like if you don't have a big room, bro, my room is alright. It's like medium, but if you don't have a big ass room, there's no need for you to have a fucking bed, bro. Oh, any kilo beside 30-minute auto block plus 4 hour swing low. We got a 4 hour for value gap, bro. We got a daily for value gap. We got an hourly for value gap. We got $1 million for value gap. Alright, this getting close to bearish is gonna give us a retracement here. Stacks 100. Oh, I'm doing anymore. I don't even know it anymore. I want to see a push down to this tap and get the fuck out of there, man. Get the fuck out of here, man. I want to see a tap and get the fuck out of here.
Come on, bro. Like, please. Hey, bro. Step threes. Seven. Yeah. Confirm chat. Hey, oh my god. I'm gonna watch you all the time on Instagram. I'm pushing. Oh my gosh, I'm okay, three more. Three more. I think I'm okay. I have to go. Hey, back.
What's this?
$100. Hey, I just took $100 from you. Appreciate it, sir. It's just $100. It was a quick Apple Pay scan.
No, I'm gonna lock in. No. There ain't nothing about white puss. Come on, pussy. On the fucking chest down, nigga. Just chest down, nigga. You know what it is, nigga, nigga, nigga. Nigga, nigga, nigga. Nigga, nigga, nigga. Yeah, well, stop saying that one. Nigga, nigga, nigga. Nigga, nigga, nigga. Oh. Damn, I still gotta piss. How many fucking tea did I drink, bro? Oh, I drank like 6 bottles of fucking tea. I'll be right back. I gotta piss again. Another water. Alright, niggas. Spell niggas. Niggas. Come on, bro. Push. We got news at 8:30 and 9:45. So 8:30, 9:45 should definitely get us a pullback here. Brr, check Discord. I got you. Okay, up in trading view, so I'm just gonna screenshot my NT5. Guys, fuck it, here's my position. Oh my god, how come, bro? If I win this position, I'm gonna buy pub butt plug for my crush. Oh my goodness, bro. Got a RGB one. Oh my goodness, bro. Cray. What do you guys How come you're not opening your trading view, bro? That's crazy. I want to see a high get created, then push lower. I want to see this guy kind of go over here, then create another bearish candle, then do the OTE. Right now, OTE wouldn't make sense. Yo, my G, what's up? What's up? What's goody? What's goody, my G? And now the white tides. Bro, smiling on the second screen. You guys can see that from the fucking what is this shit's called? Whatever this shit is. I took Gio long though. You was get to the yikes, bro. Bro, smiling on the second screen. Hey man, I don't watch porn, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't watch that shit, bro. I fuck bitches. I don't need to watch that shit. Whoa, what's wrong with my boy Yogi, yo? Holy, bro. Gee. She went too far, bro. Holy, bro, that's how butt plug looks. Holy, something is fishy. Ew, what is bro doing? Crazy, my boy Xtoshi. You saw that fucking the Discord, bro? Ew, that shit nasty. Life is short by RGB. Oh my goodness, bro. Holy. That shit's crazy. Niggas really got that, bro? What the fuck? I got my phase 2 today and then I just messed my the account lol. Yeah, bro, you don't want to trade London session during the fucking during the news. Crazy. He was asked from 2 to 3 days. Bro, Monday was fantastic, bro. I made a 4.5 RR. Tuesday, I didn't take a trade. Wednesday, yesterday, we fucking I made a mistake. And today, I'm looking to take a trade here. I'm up like 3.5 RR for the week, which is fantastic. Then have her walk around the then have her walk around like a police. Oh my goodness, bro, shit funny as hell, bro. Oh shit, I put the wrong one. Oh. Oh my goodness, bro. What do you call it? You decided to trade it, yes sir, bro. The setup is there. I'm taking it. I'm executing it fearlessly, bro, without remorse, ruthlessly. Hope for the best, yes sir, bro. Hope for the best as well, man. Please, the only please I would love when I get arrested by the RGB was, oh my goodness, bro. Holy. I know you gotta say. I know you gotta search out what is RGB, bro. Red, green, blue. What the fuck? Hey, cooking. Oh, freaking arrow play. Oh my goodness, bro. Wait, RGB butt plug. But look. Oh hell no! What the fuck? Oh hell no! Niggas do that shit. How'd you? Man, you shit yourself. You shit on the fucking butt plug RGB. Nasty as fuck, man. Imagine. Oh, bro, I'm literally thinking about it. That shit not feel good, bro. Alright, thank God my girl does not do that shit. That shit's weird as fuck. Let me do it. How do I do the history on that shit, bro? Because if I don't know the history, somebody comes here, like, whoa, what the fuck is this guy searching about, bro? The highlight is called, the lighting is called RGB. Yes, sir. Yeah, I just searched it up. Yeah, it's butt plug RGB on the lights. That's nasty. Nasty as fuck, bro. Thank God, bro. Thank God that girl that bust down on me didn't do that shit, bro. That shit nasty as fuck. Nasty as hell. I'd rather have Chinese children pack my bag. Oh, I'd rather have. Oh, wait, alright, hey, wait. Buy on Wish.com. Oh my god, I'm not touching that website. I'd rather have Chinese shrimp than pack my pup like I Shahid. Funny as hell, bro. Wish. Oh, that Wish.com make a wish. That shit, bro. Shit funny as hell, bro. I know, you know, yes, sir. Uh, I'm waiting for the news though. Yes, sir. I'm waiting for my interest to get tapped, bro. I don't give a shit about the news. Let's see if we can get tapped here. I want to see a pullback, tap the entry and dip. If possible. If not, then it is what it is. But the news is definitely gonna make a move here. It's probably gonna make a spike. Hello, bro. What's good, my boy Nessie? Boys, what's good? See. Where did you enter long? Cause I heard something was bullish, bro. But I'm not in the trade yet, bro. I gotta wait until the market taps my entry. I just put it into the visualization so I can do my log calculation. Come on, pull back, pull back. The reason I entered long, I could tell you guys one more time, my analysis process in a higher time frame. We have a weekly IRL to ERL, weekly CRT to the upside. We have a daily close above equals higher prices. We have a classic expression profile to the upside, Monday low of the week. We have a expansion dealing range, discount premium. We tap discount dealing range, we're going to dealing range high. We as well have a daily IRL to ERL, as well in the 4-hour time frame, bullish order flow. Here, near close of profile 1. We have range low, range high. How come the range low? Weekly CRT low. How come the range high? Weekly CRT high. And as well as, let's say, 1 over 4 kilos, 4 for buy gap. And that's all we got. And that's enough. And 15-minute time frame, we had the right time in the purge, 6 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. As well, we had the right model 1. So looking to execute this trade, but the market has not tapped our entry yet. Thursday can be reversal, and Wednesday as half of the week. There's S&T 2 on the top. S&T, let's see if it's there on the daily candles. There's no S&T in my eyes. I don't see none here. Yeah, no S&T in my eyes. So we chilling. Bro, I think yesterday was high of the week. Tomorrow is gonna be the opposite of the range. Today is Thursday, right? We're going for let's take profit. But thing is, do you have any? Because you can't just tell that a weekly profile can't just tell you the fucking story of the market. You have to use multiple things here, right? A weekly profile can't just tell you, okay, is a weekly profile is bearish? How? When does it make the high of the week? So midweek reversal. Well, what about this low? When the Monday made the low of the week, right? So you can't just use weekly profile alone. You got to use everything else with it. You can use that day, IRO, TRL, CRT, ranges, all of that shit together. You can't just use one at one time. One can't tell the whole story here, man. I want to see either a push-up high from here, make a high and get an OTE here. Let's see if we can get an OTE. I want to see a OT happen. That could be right around here. We got news in the next fucking 26 minutes. Let's see if that could potentially happen here. Yeah. Oh my goodness, bro. Boy just got that shit. He literally topped that bitch too. It's nice. First W on the day. Yeah. And no, not why. Wait, the Nas 100 should have definitely been a setup there, right? Whoa. Oh, my nigga jigga. Oh, that was a beautiful. Oh yeah, right over here, bro. The Russian block entry would have been it. Right, Marble 1, rejection block entry. Short that bitch down. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. The RR is very off though. Fucking RR is very off. RR is very off on that trade though. So I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Let me go back to the chart, buddy. Let me go back to my charts. Stacks. Three consecutive days of expansion. Yeah, but that doesn't tell you, that doesn't say anything, bro. You could have. What about this though? What about this candle? Market had. Let's see, three consecutive candle, bullish candles. That day weekly time frame can't really tell the story here. 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive bullish candles, right? And I ain't gonna tell you the story, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, like multiple consecutive candles happen here. Markets went up higher, right? So it's not about like he's like a close above equals higher prices, right? CA. What you think of long in NAS and SP 500 because accumulation pressure and distribution? That already happened to the downside. You no longer want to long it up because the short one already happened. So your setup already missed. Use COTR. What is that, brother? All right, let's see if we can tap our entry here quick. Come on, nigga, jigga. Nigga jigga. Yeah, he took that clean ass rejection block entry to the downside. Boom. Blood. Tuesday was the high of the week on NAS. Yes, sir. Commitment of traders, CRT, commitment of traders. I do not know what the fuck that is. I am not. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Coupon EU 0 circle trade. Yeah, I'm gonna risk 1.5% on this trade. I'm gonna risk 1.5%. Risking, hey, we're not risking 1% longer. We're risking 1.5%. So it's gonna be a considered as a report. Think about it. If you think about it, most niggas can't risk 1%. We're risking here 1.5%. Yeah, we full partying in bit. Alright, let's see how the news goes. The news gonna probably help us push a spike here, cause this shit is tweaking up in this bitch. Damn, his crush gonna have fun tonight. Oh yeah, his crush will, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. His crush definitely will. But that shit feels weird though. Nah, nah. Oh no, pause. But like, yeah, I can't tell you guys that story though. You know, I don't want to expose the girl who I fuck with. That was an OnlyFans, bro. Like, ew, nasty ass bitch. She wanted me to eat her pussy. I was like, hell no, nasty ass shit, nigga. I just wonder, like, yo, how many people put a dick on her ass? Like, hell no. I don't even know she was an OnlyFans. She told me she was an OnlyFans. Oh, hell no. Like, if the girl gonna let you fucking her first date, she's a thought, right? Hey, not gonna lie to you guys. She's there at tots. The first night she let me hit. I was like, nah, this is not real. This is a fucking stripper. Fuck this shit out. RGB light will best with the eyes and will make them colorblind. Yay. I don't know about that, bro. I don't even fucking. Yeah, that's kind of crazy, bro. You all right, bro? Cause you constantly look at that shit. Weird ass nigga. Weird ass nigga. Nigga jigga. Nigga jigga. I don't know about my time. Bro, tell me why yesterday a literally a midget, a girl, the my boy Yogi, my boy. I mean, you guys know the shit, right? You know how Hezbollah, the guy, my boy Carter just put a picture on. That little guy was counting money. Bro, there was a girl the same height as her. She was working out. She's a midget. She wear fucking fuck. She wear leggings, bro. But bro, my friend said I would hit on that shit. I was like, bro, that's a midget, bro. And bro, she had a thick ass. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was like, bro. I was like, you gonna pick that bitch up like this and go, that's that shit funny as hell, chat. Oh my goodness, bro. I was like, you weird as fuck, bro. You gonna fuck a midget? Oh my goodness, bro. These niggas horny as hell, dog. Like, she walking around like she's a baddie. I was like, hell nah. You fucking midget. You bitch. If it was like the other girl had a BBL, bro, I was like, no way the ass is real, bro. Cause I filled ass before. I fucking touched multiple asses before, right? And that ass, it was not natural. Cause like when it shaked, it wasn't like bounce up, bounce down. It was like the things will crunch into each other. The ass would crunch, right? You know what I'm saying? They were like, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, yeah, that shit's not natural. Cause that shit was way bigger than it looks like. The girl was skinny as shit. The girl was skinny as fuck, but the ass was big. The thighs were not that big. I was like, yeah, that does not make sense. And every time she walked, the crunch, I was like, yeah. Bro, me, I was just with my 3 more friends, bro. Other guy his name was Gerald. Other guy was Q. What's your ass count? Oh, what the fuck? Multiple ass of dudes. Oh my goodness, bro. like shit. I was like, that shit feel, who the fuck was that, bro? This is not even that crazy of a story. Okay, that's a BBL. Okay, she ain't just some air on that bitch or some oil on that bitch. But the other girl, bro, she put pads on her shit, bro. That's crazy. The other bitch put pads. I feel like this bitch put pads on oil, bro. I feel like this bitch put pads as well, cause when the pads are too cringy, like when they're too close, they usually, you know, when you walk around, they get tightened up. They crunch and shit. Are we trading? Are we giving classes to newbies? Oh my goodness, bro. Hey, bro, it felt weird. I was like, who the fuck puts that? Who the fuck puts a pads on their ass? Like, they gotta be weird for that shit. Pads on their ass. That's crazy work right there, bro. And that bitch was not that beautiful. That bitch was ugly. She had 30K followers on fucking Instagram. I don't know fucking how. She was literally working out, recording videos. I said 30K fucking followers. That shit is bought up. Straight up. I see her views. 30K followers. She gets 1K views. I'm like, bought up. I was like, fuck the followers, but like, yo, shit fake. Like, I saw her ass jiggle and shit. She was like crunching, like, you know, crunching and shit. I was like, ugh, nasty bitch, man. Who the fuck? She literally told me she was pat on her shit. She got a little too comfortable, you know. I was like, you know, you know how, you know, when a girl yaps so much, if you give a girl a pleasure, right? If you talk about, you know what I'm saying, the girls love to talk about themselves. A little game here. Every time you give them pleasure, where you just let them yap, eventually they get comfortable. Eventually they say anything. They say fucking weird shit, bro. What the fuck? I know I asked her questions, right? That you know, that was about her. And girls love to talk about themselves. Like, we give a shit. We don't give a fuck about your fucking talking. I don't give a fuck about you. I want to hit. You know what I'm saying? So, holy. Like, this bitch was yapping for fucking, like, how long you gonna yap for, bro? Shut the fuck up. Like, eventually she got to, oh yeah, my pads are, like, my ass is fake. I got pads on my ass. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? You cray, bro. Cray. Pads on your ass. She got that comfortable with talking with me, bro. She was a stranger, bro. I just, you know what I'm saying? I hit my lineup, got in that bitch. I was like, hell no, I ain't fucking this bitch. Pads, bro. Oh, weird ass. What the fuck? That's crazy. Hey, chat, if you guys want to get any girls, bro, always talk about her, bro. They love talking about themselves, bro. And always give them pleasure. You know what I mean by pleasure is that fucking like constantly let them yap about themselves. They like just go with them. When you go with their bias, they get comfortable with you. Cause you get girl usually. I talked to other girl, right, that she was uncomfortable with me, right? They act a little different. They give you like, some smirk and some shit like that, like that fucking eyebrow, like who the fuck this guy, right? Like, you gotta let them, you know, she all of them do that at first place, but once you get, like, you know, once you talk with them, get a little, you chit chat, you know, yap a little bit, get them to talk about themselves, and eventually let them be comfortable talking to you by talking, you know, by her talking about herself, right? When they usually talk about herself with somebody else, they get more comfortable. And eventually it's game on. You hit that bitch. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be easy after that, bro. They get so comfortable. They tell you about the secrets, shit like that. It's crazy. Love grew on the stream. Hey, this is like, hey, you guys are too scared to go up to girls, bro. That's crazy, bro. Some niggas are. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, bro, my life is short. I'm trying to hit. Fuck it, I'm trying to hit on the first day. And when that bitch hit me on the first day, I don't fuck with. I don't trust bitches which let me hit on the first day, cause that shit does not make sense, bro. You gotta be doing some OnlyFans, and that bitch did do OnlyFans, and that shit did not feel good, bro. Cause bro, she was on my shit. But I was tired for 20. Like, you know, my shit. You know how you like your legs crunches when you do it too much. She was bouncing on that shit for 20 minutes. I was like, hell no. How the fuck you not tired, bro? And eventually, I was like, she was beautiful. I was like, you too beautiful to be fucked from the back. And she was like literally holding my shoulders and bouncing back and forth. I got pissed off. I was like, bro, this bitch gotta be, she gotta be used to this shit. Cause I'm literally losing it here, right? My shit is getting crunchy. My legs, sometimes your legs get like, it's like, yeah, the shit like that happens a lot. I was like, yeah, get the fuck out of me. Get the fuck off of me, bro. Bro, I literally, right after that, I went to sleep. Like, when I woke up, I was like, fuck no. Fuck this bitch, bro. This bitch is the OnlyFans. Eventually, the next day, she literally told me she did the OnlyFans. I was like, yeah, that's why your shit, that's why you didn't get tired, bro. You used to that shit. You bitch. I don't want to fuck that shit. That shit felt weird, bro. Yeah, she told me to fuck, if you want to eat my pussy. Hell nah, nigga, what the fuck? Weird. Hey, do you remember me? Yes, sir. I remember you, my boy. Abagati Border. I definitely remember you, brother. You're that what do you call it? Real estate guy. See, I know the guy. You're that nigga. Send it to me, bro. Next time, man. They don't want to fuck a short bitch. They don't want to fuck no bitches like you, bro. You know what I'm saying? They want to fuck what? They want to fuck. They want to get fucked by a Long Johnson, bro. You don't got a Long Johnson, bro. You don't got shit like me. You know what I'm saying? I'm just flying with you. My boy Nessie sent a screenshot. Bro, look at this shit. Wick. This trader was a chop. It was a cooked shop. Yes, sir. Nice blood. Hell yeah. Oh shit. I didn't put a bag emoji. Nessie said, look at this shit, Wick. My boy, cause you entering during the fucking wait, is that a new wait, is the time? In mind of all right. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Let's see. The market gonna pull back here with the news, bro. I need the news to pull back. I see bitches, man. Now I hate bitches, bro. They do too much fucking much, right? Hey, bro, this bitch was yapping for 3 hours, nigga. What the fuck? Like, nigga, I could have hit a whole workout. I could have ate hella food. I could have done so much productivity, but this bitch, I went to her house. She said like a fucking come to my house. I'll cook for you, right? I was like, some little cooking day. But that bitch, after 3 hours of fucking yapping from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. No, from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Yes, yapped. I was like, bro, who the fuck was the food at? And like, she started cooking the food at fucking 12 p.m. with it. 12 a.m. is we ate the food. I was pissed as fuck, bro. I was like, this bitch really yapped about herself for 3 hours. They didn't get tired. They didn't get her mouth didn't hurt from talking. I was like, holy, bro. That's why I hate that fucking making them get pleasure at shit. When they talk about themselves too much, when they get too comfortable, they'll constantly do that shit, bro. Then eventually from there on forward, at first, it's a good thing, because you can, make it comfortable with you. But later on, that shit, when they yap too much, that shit get annoying as fuck. Like, I'm in fucking therapy. I ain't your therapy, bitch. I'm a therapist that want to hit. I don't want to fuck with your shit, nigga. I don't give a fuck about your yapping for fucking 3 hours. I want to hit, you know what I'm saying? That's the angle. She thinks I'm for fucking therapy. What the fuck? She thinks I'm her therapy. What the fuck, man? I'm not your fucking therapy, bro. Bon Jovi. My nigga. Where's the Bruno the nigga, the French nigga at, bro? Bruno the French nigga, where are you at? Bruno the French nigga, where are you at? Bruno the French nigga. Alright, let's see if the market do a pullback here real quick before he pushes back up higher. I think at 9 a.m. is when the spell is gonna do it because this candle does need to close and it cannot close below that fucking candle low. Okay, let's see if we can tap our entry here. We're gonna look at to enter this shit. We still got the same answer here, 8.6. Alright, let's see if we can tap it. The news fucks us up, it's gonna be crazy. If the news fucks us up here, it's gonna be cray. Let's hope the news doesn't go spike us down here and goes up high. Let's hope the news doesn't do that shit. If he does that, we're clapped. 2.91, 8.6, 8.6, 2.91. Alright. Come on, you gotta accumulate new orders. Okay, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with this. Ay, 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 oi, 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 man. Market fuck around, man. Market is fucking around with us here, bro. 3 minutes of news. Let's see if the news goes spike down and it doesn't spike too hard down here. My boy, R. Williams Best. Shit. Y'all start the new Bitcoin all-time high? Yes, sir. BTC, BTC, BTC. Oh my goodness. Now coin ain't doing shit when that's happening, bro. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with the market, bro? So the Fervaga didn't get filled because of the fucking 2 to 3 had SMT with what the fuck is this called? We had SMT, the share 2IC2. Alright, let's see if we can get this fucking move happening here. Come on, I know you wanna pull back, you fucker. You fuck twig. Unfortunately. Let's see, 10 minutes till news. Let's see if we can get a spike down here real quick before going back up higher. Whoa, that spike was crazy. Oh, hell no. Y'all see that fucking spike on that shit? Bro, news didn't do shit, but look at the fucking, whatever the shit's called. Spread, I mean. That's what I mean. Damn, this nigga's trying to get some bodies, bro. Fuck with shitty ass news. Oh, come on, push down a little bit. Push down, bruv. Chat, right when I tab this, we're in the trade. So let's see if we can tab this. Alright, let's see. Right when it taps, we're in this shit. Alright, what's the taps, we're in this shit. Or come on, Zabbits. So we got expansion, retracement. We're gonna have another expansion, we have another retracement, and eventually another expansion. Let's see if we can tap it here. The 30th mark. Alright, news didn't do shit, so we good. Let's see. Alright, once it taps it, we're in this trade, but only when it taps it. Let's see if we can tap it. Alright. I have 3 buying positions here at 32 each. Stop loss is going to be so I have 3 buying positions, 291, 291. Okay, I have 3 buying positions here. They're all at 32 mark. They all are at 32 mark. Okay, enters at 32. Just 30, 32 is 2 takes up slot. Which I'm gonna take profit to 3 fixed RR. E. Ooh, 9. So 1, 3, 2, 9, 6. 1, 3, 2, 9, 6. Alright, everything is set here. So 1, 3, 2, 9, 6. 1, 3, 296. Stop loss at 212,944. Okay, everything is set. So now it's either TP or stop loss for a 3RR or negative 1RR. So always. That's fucking good. You're coming, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. I want to see a strong pull out of here, but market is probably gonna stop us out here quick for a negative 1RR. But let's see if the market potentially spare us, or if not, it is what it is. This market did do an impulse move to the upside, so that stop loss, to me, that stop loss does look to be a good stop loss. But let's see. So we're going for a 3RR. Okay, everything is set. Alright, looks like a tap the direction block can stop us out here, or let's see if the threshold is gonna possibly prevent the push lower. Alright, quick stop loss here then, let's see. Quick one or no? Yup, quick stop loss. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Boom. Alright. Damn. Okay. Okay. Push out the high, boom, go up higher. Gave the right number one, stopped that once, give another number one here, stop this one went profit here. Okay, looks interesting, interesting, interesting. Shit don't stop out everybody here. What just happened? I left for 20 seconds. Stop loss, god dang. Damn, brother. Okay, so market looks like you fucked us today. Oh, interesting. It still has not stopped out this entry here. I mean, those who took a long here is still in this trade, but this entry has not hit stop loss yet. Let's see if we can do it. It's probably definitely gonna do it here. It's already went down here. There's no there's no sort of SMT. There's the SMT here with this low. News done got us. Let's see this low will hold here. Okay, let's see if we can stop this out. Yep, it does too. Good for already stopped out. Yikes. Yes, sir. Interesting day, huh? This is a beautiful loss, though. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Beautiful loss. He pushes down lower here, huh? Let's see. We got some blocks. We got tapped right now. Let's see D as well here. Yeah, even with D as well, I had SMT here. Let's see. I want to see the more. I want to see the actual move happen. Then going back here. Kinda gay for real, brother. Okay, we did market did have a daily for a buy gap here. This was a daily breaker. Okay, okay. Huh. We'll have to just come back here later and see it, bro. You still surviving? Yes, sir, bro. I mean, even Deek's surviving here. Oh shit. All right. Do you still surviving? Interesting, eh? Interesting. Interesting, eh? Interesting. Good loss in my end, bro. I want to see how the market goes. I want to see if I made any mistake here, but it looks good to me, man. Learn to move on, yes, sir, ski, bro. Bro became liquidity there, yes, sir, ski, bro. All part of the game, bro. Let's see, let's see. Just we're gonna have to go into the next trade here. I wanna wonder, like, why the fuck did the market pull all the way back down here, though? I know that there's a news there, but I know there's a news here, but why that struggle pullback? As long as the winners are winning, as long as winners are winning big, yes sir, yeah, bro. We're still up. I think right now we're up 2.5% on our game. We're still good. We're still good on the week, bro. But this trade is very interesting here. As long as winners win and losers stay the same, that's all that matters, bro. What a week. Crazy week, bro. Crazy little week. It's not even the last week of the month, though. It's still this, what, fucking months left here. We got fucking, what, 9 days left for this fucking monthly close. 8 days left. Okay, okay. Makes interesting here. Price will head up soon, correlating to GU. Yes, sir, bro. Car GU is fucking pushing it. But let's see. What a purchase at the right time, what to enter at the right time with the right number one as well. Yep. And yeah, it's all a good trade here overall, to me in my eyes. Idea is still there. Now I took my I mean it's probably gonna be another setup here, but I'm not gonna take a trade because of the must have already occurred, must have already happened. I'm done for the day. I wanna see where the market goes because I already took my trade for the day. I'm only gonna take one trade a day anyway, so yeah. It will go long in news as stop runs happen before news. PMI will hit TP. Oh my god, hits if you without what do you call it? Without a trade, bro. That's crazy, bro. Hmm. I mean that right there could have been a total so long there, right? So we had fucking first drive, second drive, eventually third drive. Alright, that looks alright. Let's see, man. Let's see. Got clapped quick here. It's interesting, huh? I mean, this is the like the fucking downside of trading one pair because of the because the other pair could give you this good setup while this pair doesn't, and it could still move, right? So that's the reason why we that's downside of the trading one pair because this pair look you see G is still holding off, but EU is not, right? So this is the downside of trading one pair out at once. The GU could sometimes give you the good setup and EU wouldn't. So yeah, interesting. Yeah. Oh my goodness, bro. Wait, so what are the time person this happened? 5:30, so market pushed out. Yeah, this one Geo did definitely give us the right entry here. But Geo never fucking tapped the entry. Geo just tapped the entry right now. Alright, Geo just tapped the fucking entry. I mean, for this, you would rather take the fucking trash, the might want to stop loss right down here. Ah. Let's see what's up with the market here, chat. How low key. This to me is a good loss, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't feel like I made any mistake here. Just a probability loss. Yeah, I didn't make no mistake here. Just a probability loss here, which is a very good loss. We had no sort of fucking. There's a lot of SMT with this scandal. And we just tapped the breaker block. Ah. I low key. This is it, chat. I'm gonna come back later, see the market, see the actual move happen, and go on from there. But yeah, today this is it. Oh shit. I'm gonna cook me some food and go hit the gym. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Got clapped today, which is the good thing. Usually when you're wrong, you want to get clapped quick. Pause. All right. If you're wrong, you want to get clapped like less than a couple of minutes. Like this is right over here because let's just say we ended this trade. We are in fucking near the entry for fucking what hour. That shit is pissing, right? I don't want that to happen. If I'm wrong, I want to get stopped up quick, like just like this. It's a beautiful loss, and because if you stay in the trade for so long, you'd get more emotional. You know what I'm saying? You're like, yeah, fuck. It's been an hour. Market's at my entry. Yeah, you don't want that shit to happen, and that emotion is pissy. But that's right here is a good loss to me personally. I want to come back later, see the market where the market goes one more time, then see the actual move happen and learn from the actual move. But this looks beautiful to me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But yeah, see you guys later. Peace out. And yeah, peace. Let me go and do the chart. Beautiful loss. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, bro. The market did a Drake candle to our stop loss, bro. The market did a Drake candle straight to our stop loss. Crazy, bro. Bye. I'll see you guys later, chat.